2001 Beaver Monterey Seacliff Luxury for sale in Starbuck, Minnesota 56381. Spread your wings and fly with this 2001 Beaver Monterey Seacliff Luxury. This Class A motorhome is 36 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong Caterpillar diesel engine mated with an automatic transmission that offers an impressive 330 horsepower. This RV has 2 large slide-outs and 1 power patio awning. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with captain's chairs, hydraulic leveling jacks and a backup camera. With only 86,900 miles, you can rest assured that this Monterey Seacliff Luxury will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2001 Beaver Monterey Seacliff Luxury is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include Corian CountertopsAlter cabinets, ceramic floors, 3-burner cooktop, microwave, convection oven, refrigerator / freezer / ice maker, double kitchen, SinkDinette with chair, SeatingTwo televisions, ThroughoutVCR / DVD / CD / StereoSurround, SoundSatellite system with auto, SeekSofa, ChairLarge, split bath and shower with SkylightOutside, ShowerWasher / dryer, IncludedMaster, queen size BedMaster, bedroom TelevisionFull, master closet / DresserTwo, AC UnitsFurnaceHydro-Hot water heater, basement power, mirrors with HeatFog lights, hitch, cruise control, 8 kW diesel generator, magnum chassis, fantastic fans, dual pan windows with awnings, day / night shades and solar battery chargers, Atrax inverters, solar panels and so much more. This 2001 Beaver Monterey Seacliff Luxury is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Class A RV is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2001 Beaver Monterey Seacliff Luxury.